Making colors really play a vital role in my art practice. I use mainly earth and natural colors in form of tempera. The making of color I learned from the tribals of Jharkhand, Patuas, and Buddhist Thangka artists while traveling and spending times with them. Whenever I make colors, the pigments I feel are my emotions and the bind itself. The detail, uh, the detail really fascinates me. I love detailed work with linear lines. Sometimes I walk with bold lines too, but while walking in an intricate detail from the linear strokes, it helps me to meditate and dive me somewhere else in the process where I feel I'm the part of the cosmos and where only the void is truth. Uh, it is a subjective identification with sound that gives rise to my internal perspectives. My work attempts to chart the essence of human potential and that is experiential and spirituality felt. I intend to concentrate on the life force of the human existence that is governed by elemental conceptualization of life. I think there is no better mode of inquiring into than looking through the culture of indigenous that we preserve beyond the popular consciousness. I, as an artist, attempt to acknowledge the life's beauty, which is more real and existing in man. Forms and elements in my work comes as a metaphor from everyday life and surroundings. My efforts are directed to uplift this sublime spirituality and inner consciousness in man, which is apparent. I may look it may look insignificant, but it's everlasting truth of man and society. This humanism is my expression, and my works aim to cultivate this humanism in a social sensibility. My corpus embodies the concept of Latin practice to creating counter narratives which resist the conventional paradigm of representing reality. I think they evoke a subtle and witty attempt to defamiliarize the pre existing mode of visual understanding, inspired from multiple aspects of lived experiences and real time. I create various fantastical visuals that portray everyday existence, which is with an unusual balance of strangeness to reality. Influenced by literature, graphics, traditional manuscripts, and miniature art, I love to juxtapose the elements of tradition and modernity. My works, which renders a profound symbolism and irony, that is, it's like exactly to what it life itself. I attempt to perceive and visualize the nuisance of human psychology and the stream of consciousness in constant conflict with their realities. My idea of subconsciousness and the real overlaps in my work to produce a language of obscure clarity. I love to experiment with various mediums to portray my desired way of looking into the scheme of things. My mindscapes are instinctively reimagined perspectives which use words, image, forms to create dialogues between spaces of one's reality of mind. I think this transforms the mode of receptivity and the observation of collective memory in any society where change is only the constant.